So Tesla is reporting earnings today after the markets close, and this is everything that you need to know before it actually reports. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Yes, the NASDAQ market is pushing higher, believe it or not, and it's because Trump says that Iran talks are possible as soon as Friday. But no, guys, I know what you're thinking. He's just saying something to prop up the market. Trump would never do that. He would never do anything to enrich himself or his family. This time, it's different. This time, it has to be true. But again, guess what? Markets are pushing to new all-time highs based off of the same news that propped up the market 2 weeks ago. I just want to remind you. Tesla is the big focus today. Tesla is set to report earnings after the markets close, and this is the market's expectation. Tesla's earnings expectation for earnings per share is 36 cents per share. Pathetic. Earnings expectation for revenue is 22.28 billion, lower than previous quarter, proving that once again, Tesla's expectation is not to actually grow as a company, it's actually to stay stagnant. If you pay attention to the pro research, so again, if you go to Investing Pro, it's the first link in the description down below if you ever want to check it out, and you look into their pro research, you can see that it's not an opinion, it's a fact. You don't need to get offended based off of facts, right? You can have an opinion based off of what you believe, but this is a fact. Since 2023, Tesla's revenue has not increased. If anything, their net margins have actually decreased. And that's what everyone is beginning to point out, is that Tesla for even the last 3 years and their price performance has gone from a PE ratio of 34x to 365x, a 10x multiple. Yet its revenue is not increasing and profit margins have gone from 15% to 3%. So what gives? Remember, Elon is selling the dream of the Optimus robot and the robotaxi. I don't call it a dream to try to kick Tesla wallets down. I call it a dream because it's not a reality yet. But people are willing to invest into Tesla based off of the optimism that Elon might pull it off. Elon Musk himself has said that the Optimus robot, once it begins to be sold, will be the highest and most purchased product ever in history, more than the iPhone. If that is true, then yes, Tesla can be trading at a pretty cheap price based off of that projected valuation. And that is why Tesla is trading at such a high premium. I mean, if you look at it, out of the other Mag 7 companies, it's the most expensive stock to own right now out of the Mag 7. But remember, it's because it's not producing any revenue or any profit from the Optimus or the robotaxi, but yet people are still valuing Tesla as it is already selling the robotaxi and what's it called, the Optimus robot. So I just wanted you to understand where the discrepancy lies. The discrepancy lies on the projection of what Tesla can be if it does begin to sell the robotaxi and the Optimus robot. And that's going to be the focus today. Can Elon, especially during the earnings call, sell the dream and give investors enough to want to continue to stay invested in a company that is no longer growing? That's really the big focus. I don't think anyone has the real expectation that Tesla's going to beat earnings. Everyone knows that Tesla is struggling. Everyone knows that Tesla is no longer growing. So can he sell the dream enough today to encourage investors to buy more or to hold during this uncertain time? That's the big focus. I wanted to ask you guys, if you guys want me to go live for Tesla's earnings, I'd be more than happy to. Just make sure that this video gets over 500 likes before they report earnings, which is after the markets close today. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below or send me a message via Instagram, which is the third link in the description down below. So again, very excited to follow up. Tesla is the first Mag 7 company reporting earnings, and we're happy to catch it live here. So I hope that earned a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And don't forget, if you want me to go live, all we ask you to do is subscribe to the channel and drop a thumbs up. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.